Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background noises from your audio or video files within Filmora. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Filmora app on your device and you can create any new project or work on any of your old ones from your draft. Once you open up your project and add your media files, you can find all of them within your timeline. Now, if you have any audio or video track with recorded sound that has background noise and you wish to remove it, just tap on this audio or video file and underneath just swipe to the right until you see the noise reduction option. Go ahead and tap on it and this will now begin to analyze the audio file and reduce the noise right away. You can see the preview of how it sounds after the noise reduction, and if you're not satisfied you can once again cancel it by tapping on the same button. You can do this with your video as well as audio tracks and most importantly your recorded audios. After reducing your noise within your audio, finalize your other edits and then you can proceed with exporting your video. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to remove background noises from your audio or video files within Filmora. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.